slower day today, plus abs at the end. This is the last session of the second week. Starting off with hack squats. Last time we were figuring out the weight, undershot it a little bit, so bumping it up. I'm gonna take a single here, see how that feels. Make sure we confirm the working weight we're gonna do, and then we'll get into it. Come on. All right. I don't know why I'm like this, but I specifically had to go find 4 of these. Only these 10-pound plates are valid. None of the other ones are. We will now get into our working set. I need a good song. Okay. What, 6 width? We maybe could have done like 2. You got another 6 here, pretty cheese. I gotta remember what kind of width I was using on my feet here last time. I usually go slight toes angled outwards, and then a little bit higher on the foot plate because my ankle mobility is a bit limited. Focusing on the foot tripod as I'm pushing through. Come on. All right. 7 with 1. Oh, all right, we got 1 more. It's time to get mean and lean. Yep. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. More. Come on. No. Oh, yeah. Well, looks like we just suck total balls at gauging our... Oh, my neck. Whew. You know, I'm gonna cook myself, bro. I still feel like... Okay, I'm cooked, bro. That final set there can really only be an indication of one of 2 things. Either I didn't sufficiently warm up, and that's why we were able to do more reps on the last set than all the rest of them, or I just suck at gauging my RIR, which I think it's like maybe a slight combination of both, but there's no reason to get 6 reps on the first one. I think I have 2 reps in reserve, and then the final one, get 9, and probably still had at least maybe half, maybe even 1 full rep left. So I'm gonna have to keep that in mind next time. Maybe do a little bit of actual warm sets. Maybe I take that single for 3 instead of 1, or just do 1 more on the way up. Oh, I definitely strained my neck a little bit there, which kind of sucks because I injured the left side, and on the right side, it's definitely feeling tight. Something to keep in mind. All right, bumping the weight a little bit this time. see what we can get with this. Oh. Come on. Okay, maybe like 6 with 1 in reserve on that. Take that for one more set. Last set for quads here. That first set honestly felt really nice. Usually the end range of motion feels quite tough, especially last week when I was doing that. And this time wasn't as bad. I did spend some extra time warming up on the foam roller today though, so that could be contributing in some ways. Maybe we make note of that. Okay, we did a few more warm-up sets than usual in the hamstring curl. Let's see if that translates at all into our working set action now. Come on. I'm gonna rip my damn shirt off, bro. Okay, I'm like wasting so much energy right now. Pull. Nah, that felt like maybe 1 in reserve, honestly. I think last time it was 2. Interesting. Maybe just the wasted energy at the beginning, or it could be the neck. Who knows? Who cares? Let's see if we can get a better second set here. Five with 1 again. Song right here is so good, bro. Such a good PR song. Now let's see if it actually works and gives me 6 reps on this. Is that possible? Is it doable? Come on. On. Come on. Just barely didn't touch, but I think I'm gonna call it 6. Oh. Oh. Okay, we will keep that at 8 and steadily progress that up. I think this is the last set on SLDOs. Okay, that feels really weird. It was like my hamstring was like gliding against itself there. Didn't want to. Oh, kind of lightheaded. I got curtsy lunges now. Let's just pray I don't tear my glute off the bone. How do I do this again? Do I have enough space? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Definitely just really want to unlock more range of motion on the right side here. So I can feel that. Dude, I'm so exhausted, man. Just brutal, man. Exhausted, but I'm really just trying to do my best to lock in and bang these sets out with as much intensity as I can bring. Three. Oh. Now, probably wondering, why is my rep speed not slowing down? To be honest, we still have a good amount of reps in reserve, but again, because my glutes have very limited mobility, I don't want to rinse these too hard. This is the second time I'm really doing this exercise. So I really need to, again, build up the adaptations to be able to train that range of motion before I push it heavy with weight. So getting the pathways down, maybe spend a couple more weeks here, and then we'll start pushing closer to failure with more intensity. And the glutes are also going to benefit from stretch mediated hypertrophy. So when you're doing lengthened movements like this, again, a lot of that tension is in that lengthened portion. It's going to be more damaging and definitely going to feel it. So just things to keep in mind. Star Wars edit for the last set here. Ah, come on. Fight. Come on. Okay. 4 sets of straight leg calf press. My neck is killing me, bro. Gonna be long eccentrics, long pause, long sets. Ah. That burns, man. Lock in. Six. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Oh. Halfway mark. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Come on. 10. Okay. One more. Last set here. Let's get 10. Bust out some partials. Locked. Come on. 2. 3. 4. 6. Come on. Focus. 7. 8. 9. 10. Give me partials. 2, 3, 4. Come on. Time to go train some abs. My neck is killing me, bro. I really hope I can get through this. Come on. Give me another 6. Ah. I'm gonna call that 6. Last time it was 5.5. Take a progression. Cable crunch. Okay. Oh, final set. Absolutely rinse this. Okay. Let's go pose and get out of here. The lighting is like complete shit, but it was a W session overall. I don't know, I got like very tired towards like the middle of it. I don't know, I just like felt rinsed. Yeah, I'm like trying not to track progressions as much this time around. And instead of thinking about pushing the weight every time, I'm honestly just trying to lock in on pushing the reps in reserve up over time and just hitting the same performance. And then hopefully the intensity is modulating. And then as we get more reps in reserve, then we can bump it up instead of, again, just like chasing load. But I do want to reassess that hack squat at the beginning because there's no reason I should be getting 9 reps on the last set when I only got 6 on the first. So I either got to warm up a little bit more or I got to push myself more on the earlier sets. Just things here and there. But yeah, I think the lighting was like terrible for that. But honestly, I mean, I put a full physique update a few videos ago that had pretty much everything, as well as my posing practice video yesterday. My legs looked a little bit leaner in that, I think, than they did previously. So overall, we should be covered.